Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I have a little treat that I'm gonna make. I've never made it before. I'm excited to try this. I did a little Costco haul today and I found PB Fit Organic, 7 grams of protein. This I've heard great things about. It was only $13. Pick it up at Costco. So what I'm gonna do is on their website, they actually have some recipes that I found. You can scan here for more information as well. But I'm gonna be making peanut butter powder along with my favorite Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. So that one's pretty good. This one I believe has 80 calories and it's really good. This is my favorite so far. I have lost 12 pounds now since I've started this video series, and I'm just gonna keep going and doing these foods that have been working for me. So, and this can be eaten as a snack at breakfast. So what you do is you're going to combine the yogurt with the PB Fit powder. And if you want to, you can add a scoop of your favorite protein powder as well, like 1 cup of that. And then some semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you can add some of the keto chocolate chips from Walmart. Those are all really great. They're a little more pricey, but I'm just using regular chocolate chips, and I'm gonna be working out after this. That's my plan. And I'm just gonna do maybe 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips instead of 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. And then to go with this is gonna be my protein dessert for the day. I'm gonna be doing a buffalo wrap, and let me show you what I'm gonna be using for that. So I just cooked up my buffalo. Here's the chicken that I used. It's all done, ready to go. And then I just cooked the whole bag, you can see, because I am going to be using this for another meal. So I'll use about half of that amount. And this is rotisserie chicken. This is the rotisserie chicken I used. This is from Walmart, and it's about $2 for this little bag. And then I'll be using this Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce to go in my wrap, along with a little bit of ranch and some cheese. And then I have these La Banderita carb counter flour whole wheat tortillas. And these only have 70 grams of fiber. I mean, calories, 70 calories. Fiber is 11 grams right there. And these were actually buy one, get one free at our local Kroger store. So they're great. That's what I'll be wrapping the tortilla in, and I'll show that later in the video. Okay, so now we're gonna put the buffalo sauce on. And again, I'm using this Primal Kitchen, really tasty. And then I'm also gonna go in with my Louisiana Supreme. This is from the dollar store. Only 5 calories in a tablespoon, but just adds a little bit more heat. It's a Cajun buffalo sauce. And then my air fryer is just preheating at 375. So I've already cooked the chicken at 390 for 5 minutes. And then right now it's just preheating down to a lower temperature at 375. And then I'm going ahead and pop this in the air fryer for 7 minutes, or to your liking. And you can put butter on the outside after we roll it, or whatever you wanna do. I've also added some red onion for flavor, and then I'm adding 1 piece of Swiss Cache Valley cheese for 60 calories. Let's roll it up. Okay, we're gonna pop this into the air fryer for 7 minutes at 375. Now we have our yogurt cup with our chocolate chips and our PB2 powder. All right, here's the finished product. Here's my dessert.